My name is Matiluko Temitomi, also known as Obetodun. I love gardening, I love spices, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Obetodun Cooks.
Separates me from the love of Christ. What can stand against the perfect law of life? Though the storms and the
Today, we'll be making fried stew using palm oil. Ingredients: bell peppers or thick chili peppers, habanero, a few tomatoes, onions. For the onions, we need some sliced and some diced, locust beans, and for the accessories, chopped liver, smoked fish, crayfish, and boiled eggs, palm oil, and some pomo. Let's get into it.
First, we heat up some palm oil in the pan. I don't like to bleach my oil, so I will just be heating it up on medium heat. Once it is hot enough, add sliced onions and washed locust beans. Fry for a minute on medium-high heat. Then add your blended peppers and allow to fry for a while.
Christ in me and I in Christ. So what shall we say to this dance? God before me. What shall we say? God before me.
Next, we add our seasonings, then the accessories, in this case, crayfish, smoked fish, and liver. And some pomo. Then finally, add your eggs. Now reduce the heat and allow to fry.
This is my testimony.
Remember to stir occasionally.
The King of Zion is for me, is for me. This is my testimony.
Once the pepper looks fried, turn off the heat and allow to simmer.
And there we have our fried stew, palm oil version, looking yummy and delicious. Don't you agree? Why not try out this recipe and let me know in the comment box what you think about it. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and easy way to make your everyday Nigerian delicacy.
See you in my next video.